Welcome back. We are reading Wonder, and we have reached the part of the story where there's a dreaded get to know you activity in a fifth grade classroom. Oh, the terror! The dreaded get to know you activity. Some folks love it, many dread it. Let's see how this goes with poor Augie. Is he going to dread it? I think he's dreading it already. Alrighty, so the teacher just said, how's that sound? Good? Okay. Oh no. There she is. Sound good? Good. She smiled at everyone, though I felt she was smiling at me the most. Oh, it wasn't a shiny smile like Mrs. Garcia's smile, but a normal smile, like she meant it. She looked very different from what I thought teachers were going to look like. I guess I thought she looked like Miss Fowl from Jimmy Neutron, an old lady with a big bun on top of her head. But in fact, she looked exactly like Mon Mothma from Star Wars Episode 4. Haircut kind of like a boy's, and a big white shirt kind of like a tunic. She turned around and started writing on the chalkboard. Henry still couldn't get his lock to open, and he was getting more and more frustrated every time someone else popped one open. He got really annoyed when I was able to open mine on the first try. The funny thing is, if he hadn't put the backpack between us, I most definitely would have offered to help him. Around the room. Miss Petosa told us a little about who she was. It was boring stuff about where she originally came from and how she always wanted to teach, and she left her job on Wall Street about 6 ago to pursue her dream and teach kids. She ended by saying if anyone had any questions, and Julian raised his hand. Yes, she had to look at the list to remember his name. Julian. That's cool about how you're pursuing your dream, he said. Thank you. You're welcome. He smiled proudly. Oh, we know this kind of kid. You're so wonderful, teacher. Okay, so why don't you tell us a little about yourself, Julian? Actually, here's what I want everyone to do. Think of 2 things you want other people to know about you. Actually, wait a minute. How many of you came from Beecher Lower School? About half the kids raised their hands. Okay, so a few of you already know each other, but the rest of you, I guess, are new to the school, right? Okay, so everyone think of 2 things you want other people to know about you. And if you know some of the other kids, try to think of things they don't already know about you, okay? Okay, so let's start with Julian, and we'll go around the room. Julian scrunched up his face and started tapping his forehead like he was thinking really hard. Okay, whenever you're ready, Miss Petosa said. Okay, so number 1 is that, do me a favor and start with your names, okay? Miss Petosa interrupted. It'll help me remember everyone. Oh, okay. So my name is Julian, and the number 1 thing I'd like everyone to know about myself is that I just got Battleground Mystic for my Wii, and it's totally awesome. And the number 2 thing is that we got a ping pong table this summer. Very nice. I love ping pong, said Miss Petosa. Does anyone have any questions for Julian? Is Battleground Mystic multiplayer or 1 player, said the kid named Miles. Not those kind of questions, guys, said Miss Petosa. Okay, so how about you? She pointed to Charlotte, probably because her desk was closest to the front. Oh, sure. Charlotte didn't hesitate for a second, like she knew exactly what she wanted to say. My name is Charlotte. I have 2 sisters, and we just got a new puppy named Suki in July. We got her from an animal shelter, and she's so cute. That's great, Charlotte. Thank you, said Miss Petosa. Okay, then, who's next? Oh, look at this title. This looks ominous. Lamb to the slaughter. Like a lamb to the slaughter. Something you say about someone who goes somewhere calmly, not knowing that something unpleasant is about to happen to them. This is great that it explains the idioms to you nicely. That's a good description. I Googled it last night. That's what I was thinking when Miss Petosa called my name, and suddenly it was my turn to talk. My name is August, I said. And yeah, I kind of mumbled it. What? Said someone. Can you speak up, honey? Said Miss Petosa. My name is August, I said louder, forcing myself to look up. I have a sister named Via and a dog named Daisy, and that's it. Wonderful, said Miss Spitosa. Anyone have any questions for August? No one said anything. Okay, you're next, said Miss Spitosa to Jack. Wait, I have a question for August, said Julian, raising his hand. Why do you have that tiny braid in the back of your hair? Is that like a Padawan thing? Yeah, I shrugged, nodded. What's a Padawan thing? Said Miss Spitosa, smiling at me. It's from Star Wars, answered Julian. A Padawan is a Jedi apprentice. Oh, interesting, answered Miss Spitosa, looking at me. So, are you into Star Wars, August? I guess, I nodded, not looking up, because what I really wanted to do was just slide under the desk. Who's your favorite character? Julian asked, and I started thinking he wasn't so bad. Jango Fett. What about Darth Sidious? He said. Do you like him? Okay, you guys can talk about Star Wars stuff at recess, said Miss Spitosa cheerfully. But let's keep going. We haven't heard from you yet. She said to Jack. Now it was Jack's turn to talk, but I admit I didn't hear a word he said. Maybe no one got the Darth Sidious thing, and maybe Julian didn't mean anything at all, but in Star Wars Episode 3, Revenge of the Sith, Darth Sidious's face gets burned up badly by Sith lightning and becomes totally deformed. His skin gets all shriveled up, and his whole face just kind of melts. I peeked at Julian, and he looked at me. Yeah, he knew the same. Oh, it's this Julian kid. He's a sneaky kind of mean. Brr. So we'll leave it there after the anxious, unpleasant get to know you. Until next time,